Open the package and remove all parts. Step 1. Assemble training wheel. Remove the nuts, install the training wheels, and then tighten the nuts. Step 2. Assemble the front wheel. Remove the fork protector. Align the front fork to the correct position. Remove the nuts and retaining washers from both sides of the front wheel. Install the front wheel into the front fork. Install the retaining washers with the protruding metal tabs inserted into the holes. Tighten the nuts. Step 3. Assemble the handlebar. Loosen the top cap bolt and remove the stem cover. Insert the handlebar into the head tube past the minimum safety line. Then tighten the top cap bolt. Step 4. Assemble the mudguard. Unscrew the rear mudguard mounting bolts. Install the mudguard. Hold the nut with a wrench, and tighten the screw. Remove the mudguard mounting nuts from the front fork. Install the mudguard onto the front fork and tighten the nuts. Step 5. Assemble the doll set and saddle. Assemble the doll seat as shown in the video. Be careful not to screw it into deep here, or the seat post won't fit. Slide the doll seat onto the seat post. Release the quick release lever. Then insert the saddle post into the seat tube past the minimum safety line. Rotate the lever until you feel appropriate resistance. Then press the quick release firmly to secure it. Step 6. Assemble the pedals. Identify the left and right pedals based on the markings on them. Tighten the right pedal clockwise and the left pedal counterclockwise. Step 7. Assemble the other accessories. Install the red reflector onto the frame. Install the white reflector on the center of the handlebar. Install the bicycle bell next to the handlebar grip. Secure the basket to the center of the handlebar using the included cable ties. Insert the streamers into both sides of the handlebar grips. Cover the axle with the protective cap. Assembly is now complete. If you have any questions, please contact us.